Hello viewers, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Amido Sofian and I'm going to be walking you through the Selar platform. So lately we've been receiving questions from our affiliate, that's the WepTech Hub Academy affiliate, on how to navigate the platform, how to get your affiliate link so that you can share to your friends and families and how to share your link, and also how to monitor your sales and others. So I'm going to be walking you through this in this tutorial. So first of all, let's go to our email. Once you have made an affiliate, you receive an email just like this, which reads thus. So if you read through, you will see affiliate link below. Down here, this is your affiliate link. Then share this link to your friends and people you want to sell to, or people you want to advertise the product to. So first of all, let's activate our account. You can either click here, but I usually prefer to copy it. You can click here to activate your account, or you copy the link and you open it in your preferred browser. So I prefer Opera Mini. Alright, once Opera Mini is open, you can paste the link. You can paste the link to it and you access the link. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, so we can complete our profile. Right, so with this we can see that our account has been created and our account has been activated. So we can go to our dashboard. So if you want to find your links, your affiliate links, you click on the affiliate link here. You scroll down, you can scroll to the right. This is your affiliate link here. So you can copy this link. Then you share to the people you want to advertise these products to. So that is it for activating your account and getting your affiliate link. So let's go to other stuff. Alright, this is your dashboard. You can access your dashboard and purchases. If you've made any purchases or you've made any sales, it's going to appear in your dashboard. So let's go to setting up your withdrawal means, like the method of withdrawal, how you can withdraw your funds once you've made sales. You click on this set up bank details. You select your country. I'll select Cameroon, but if you're not from this country, you can select your country. Then the bank. Right, depending on which bank is accessible and easy for you, but for most people, I believe we're going to be using the mobile money, which is very accessible and easy for users. So I'll click on mobile money and I can fill in my account number. So you type in your mobile money number. Once you're done, you click continue. So they said, are you sure your account details are this? Click OK. That's to confirm. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so your account details have been saved. So once you have made sales, you can withdraw directly to your mobile money. So let's click that. Once your account details have been set, so if you want to check the amount you have made or the sales you have made, you come to this wallet and payout. Come to wallet. Just wait for it to load. Okay, you see zero friends available. This is because this is a new account, so any sale you make is going to appear in this page. So since we've not made any sales yet, there is no data to display. And if you want to withdraw, you kindly click on the withdraw funds, and you ask your question, withdraw funds to your account. Withdrawals will be paid to this mobile money account, which is the mobile money number you enter. Let's say we made sales and we want to withdraw 5,000 francs. This is it. So you just you just enter the amount you want to withdraw. This is the charges, that's the charge you're supposed to pay for withdrawal. So once you're okay with everything, you click on withdraw. Since we don't have any funds in our account, we're unable to withdraw. So once you've made sales, as you say, insufficient balance. So once you've made sales and you want to withdraw, you can kindly come to the dashboard, navigate down to wallet and pay out. You click on wallet and pay out. You click on withdraw. You enter the amount you want to withdraw and you click on withdraw. That's it for withdrawal. So that's basically that's basically it. So that is it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.